Well, folks, we have tornado sirens. Look at those pretty clouds. Look how pretty. Wow. Hi, Candace. We're in Fort Worth. I don't know where you're watching from. Hi, Melissa. Can you see this? This is over by your house, Melissa. Oh, see, I'm at Sandy's, Melissa. I love Sandy's fried shrimp. Hi, Dana. I'm online, babe. Morning. Wow. That cloud over there looks pretty massive. Yes, I'm going to Sandy's. I love Sandy's. Oh, you're nice and safe in California. They don't get this type of stuff. Good for you, Candace. That's some major clouds right there. That's crazy. All right, I got to get off this live because I got to get home before it gets to my house. Bye, guys.